Wolf Appliance Repair Authorized Service in Houston is a premier appliance repair service company. Employing only factory-trained Wolf appliance repair technicians, we service Wolf appliances and repair Wolf appliances such as Wolf ovens, Wolf stoves, Wolf ranges, Wolf cooktops, Wolf vent hoods, Wolf refrigerators, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Houston and the surrounding areas such as Katy, Sugar Land, Missouri City, River Oaks, Woodland, Spring, Humble, Bunker Hill, and the Galleria. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.